In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your comments on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a crypto enthusiast who enjoys engaging in community discussions, knowing where to locate your past comments can be both insightful and helpful. Let's go through this step-by-step process to ensure you're able to track and manage your interactions with ease. First, to begin, navigate over to the CoinMarketCap website in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so that you can access all the necessary features. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials now. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention toward the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you should see the profile icon, which is typically represented by a small person or silhouette symbol. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu containing various options related to your account. Now, locate and click on your profile name from the drop-down menu. This step is essential as it will direct you to your personalized account page. Your profile page is a hub for all your account-related information, providing you with insights into your activities and preferences on the platform. Once you've landed on your profile page, look for the comment icon. It's typically represented by a speech bubble or something similar. Clicking on this icon will open up a comprehensive list of all your comments on CoinMarketCap. Here, you can find everything you've posted, allowing you to review, update, or even delete comments if necessary. This feature is particularly useful for those who actively participate in discussions and want to manage their content easily. As a quick tip, regularly reviewing your comments is a good practice, especially if you're engaging with a larger community. It ensures you're up to date with your contributions and aware of any ongoing conversations you might want to revisit. Moreover, staying engaged with your comments can enhance your learning and networking within the crypto community, opening up further opportunities for knowledge sharing and collaboration. In conclusion, finding your comments on CoinMarketCap is a straightforward process once you know where to look. Simply head to the website, click on the profile icon in the upper right corner, select your profile name, and then click on the comment icon. By following these steps, you'll have a clear pathway to manage and review your comments, empowering you to better interact with the cryptocurrency community. Thank you for watching, and happy commenting.